Hey everyone, Gil here at Prepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, we're going to continue on talking about your feet. Yesterday we talked about snow boots, work boots, winter boots. Now, things to protect your feet from the cold and everything. Well, we're going to the next layer inside now. We're going to talk about your socks. Now, I've had a lot of experience living in different cold places and dealing with different things with the cold. And 73 started working for doing some search and rescue up in the north rim of the Grand Canyon in the winter snows. Everyone on the team wore either wool socks or cotton socks, no synthetics. And we found out that natural fibers work better than synthetics do when you get wet. We also found out that a lot of the synthetic socks that keep your feet warm make your feet stink too. So think about what you need to do. Can you wear wool socks? Can you not? Can you wear cotton socks? Now, I know several people who are allergic to wool. They layered, just like you layer elsewhere. They got thin cotton socks, put them on, put the wool socks on over that, and they were just fine because the cotton protected their feet from the wool. All right, so there's a little tip for you. But whatever it is, make sure you have good insulating socks that'll protect your feet from the cold. All right, so stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish, like wearing the wrong type of socks. Keep adding to your preps: water, food, medicine, clothing, and add a new skill. You really want to get better prepared.